Lego Ninjago Forbidden Spinjitzu Part 2 Sneak Peek Scene. So you've come for the scroll, then you're truly doomed. Arise, my Blizzard Samurai!
It's an honor to be back, Ice Emperor!
The intruders will be dealt with.
It's time we fight!
Indeed it is!
Let's see what you've got.
Bring it! Here!
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 Ah!
They are tough, but not unbeatable.
They're mine! Whoa! Yeah!
The ninjas will fall.
Let's see how you like the heat! I don't think he liked that at all! Show them no mercy!
They won't like this.
Green Ninja, watch out!
Whoa! Ah! You outsiders are truly pathetic!
You will pay for hurting him.
Lego Ninjago Forbidden Spinjitzu Part 2 Blizzard Samurai Awaken, coming this August 2019.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching CooperAce Productions. Would you kindly subscribe and check out more of our daily videos? Have an amazing day.